Affordable plus advanced technology, compact plus contemporary design is what defines Maxima Plus. The new mineral enhancer technology in Maxima Plus promises you safe and mineral-rich water. Coming from the house of Eureka Forbes, the pioneers in water purification, it is trusted by 1.5 crore mothers and owned by 1.6 lakh doctors across India. Eureka Forbes was founded in India in 1982, so we are the truly Indian brand for the Indian consumer, offering made in India products. There are many reasons why AquaSure from AquaGuard is superior to other ordinary water purifiers in the market. AquaSure from AquaGuard comes with multiple stages of purification, offering the best-in-class technologies. The mineral enhancer adds essential minerals like calcium and magnesium to water, making it healthier and tastier for consumption. AquaSure from AquaGuard is the only brand that is certified to remove new age contaminants like lead and mercury. Compared to the secondary and slow disinfection of ordinary UV in other water purifiers, AquaSure with advanced UV technology instantly kills viruses and bacteria and ensures each drop of water is safe and healthy. The Taste Adjuster enables adjustment of the taste of water as per the source to always provide sweet tasting water. You can continue using the same AquaSure water purifier even if you switch homes. Apart from its superior technologies, AquaSure comes with a bundle of additional benefits. It comes with a 1-year warranty on RO membrane. It has a large storage tank from where the stored purified water can be dispensed even without electricity. And the transparent tank allows you to check water levels easily. The smart autofill technology automatically refills the storage tank every time water is taken out. It is compact and takes up less space in your kitchen compared to bulky models of other brands. Its sleek and premium design complements your kitchen aesthetics. Mount it on the wall or place it on a counter as per your convenience and kitchen space. The smart LED indicators give alerts for when service is due, in case of electronic errors and when cartridges need to be replaced. A wide network of our service providers present within 5 kilometers of your location ensure that you get timely and trustworthy services. This is why AquaSure from AquaGuard is the most affordable water purifier, which provides maximum benefits and maximum savings.